I'm Gimhan Suryamandaran from Faculty of Law, Colombo. I have studied the proportionate system we currently have and the simple majority system we had. So I have put them together to develop a new system called DPBPS, which means divisional percentage based proportionate system, which means seats will be divided proportionately district wise for political parties, and contestants will be contesting in divisions separately.
Not districts.
Sorry, sir?
Candidates will be from districts.
Candidates are from divisions.
Divisions will be somewhere less than districts.
Yes, like, so when it comes to candidates, it's a simple majority system, but when it comes to seat dividing system, it's a proportionate system. When it comes to simple majority system, there are issues because there's a huge mismatch between the number of seats and the votes obtained by each party. So I have two examples. In 1970, SLFP got 36% and they got 91 seats. Lanka Samasamaja Party got 8%, they ended up with 19 seats. And UNP, they got 37, they won the election, they ended up with 17 seats. In fact, SLFP was 50,000 votes behind, but they got a power close to a two-third majority. And in 1977, UNP only got 50% and they got a 5-6 majority, 140 seats. SLFP 30% and they only got 8 seats. That's why SLFP went into a huge disaster. And Mr. Amindalingam's TULF got 6% and they got 18 seats and they became the opposition. So this is the problem with the simple majority system. That's why, so the main three flaws in the proportionate system are, there are only three major flaws. There are no huge flaws like the simple majority system. Main three flaws would be, number one, there is no responsible member to divisions because they are getting appointed from the district. There is no one to take the responsibility. That's number one. Second one is there is a preferential vote fight which is destroying the political culture of the country. And the third one, no party is capable of reaching the required number of seats to form a government alone. So governments are not stable. So my system, DPBS, is like this. It's somewhere in between the simple majority system and the proportionate system. It's a middle. So I have made sure that disadvantages are avoided and advantages are protected in both systems. It's kind of a complex process, but the election system is easy. Now, when it comes to the proportional system, people have to put vote to a party and 3 preferential votes. So that system is complex. So most of the votes are rejected because people get it wrong most of the times. So under this system, the election process is complex, true, but the way the election takes place is simple. There's only one process. But the complex system is handled by professionals, so there won't be any issues. People get a simple system. So because it is complex, every party gets a fair result.
One ballot paper.
Sorry?
One ballot paper.
Yes, it's one ballot paper. One ballot paper.
One party or now you vote for the candidate.
Candidate, but seats are given to the party. So it sounds like there are so many flaws, but I promise you I have done a lot of work. It took me like 6-7 months. No, just one ballot paper. When it comes to the election, it's like this, sir. Election takes place similar to the simple majority system. People go there, vote for the candidate. Candidates are contesting within the division. But when it comes, the votes are counted district-wise, and seats are divided proportionately for parties. So now what we do is we give seats to political parties and we rank candidates according to their number of preferential votes, and top people get selected. Under this system, people are ranked with the percentage they have obtained from each of their divisions. So each candidate gets 2 challenges. Number one, you have to make sure you work with the party and win the district. Work as a group. You can't be selfish and you have to work with the group. Plus, in your division, you have to get the highest percentage possible by working for your people. So I did a lot of work to cover all the loopholes. So and not like the normal proportionate system. In this system, there's a fundamental called the bonus fundamental. So I've used that to make sure that governments get enough power. Because of that, under the DPBS system, one political party will be capable to reach the number of seats to form a government alone, but it won't be too powerful like the simple majority system, or it won't be less powerful like the proportional system. Yes,
Yes,
I
sir, we have
agree.
given that, sir.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
We will go through this because I just went through right there.
Yes, yes.
We will go through it and.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Chairman, as I said before, it's the young people whom our organization 1 month old, and we are working on that line, and we are strongly believe that like Sripada, where the majority believe it is the Buddhas, and everybody climbs. There is no other place in the world. So we are not looking at positives of our country. Everybody claims it is Sivaloga money and all that, but Sri Lanka believes all go up there, all claim together. There is no other place like that in the country, sir. And if these young people is our future, sir, and they are very vibrant, sir, I can assure you. And we are very happy, sir, that you have started this, and I'm sure the young people and most of the people, we are like advisors, sir. We will make this country once again a safe place as a unitary country, sir, with no divisions. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.